It's Thursday, March 30th, 2017. Shoot, I forgot what time it is. Hang on. Okay, it's 10 o'clock a.m. Pacific Daylight Saving Time. I'm at the lowest entrance, the largest entrance, the south entrance to Guler Ice Cave. Notice there's only one ice cave, but it's got like 5 entrances. To the untrained eye, it looks like 5 caves. Anyway, there's snow everywhere. I mean, there's seriously like 5 feet of snow around here. So obviously, it's a bit slippery. I do have crampons, or whatever you call these things, on my feet. Oh, wow. Look, I'm so high, I'm above the handrail here. Wow. Anyway, I'm going to put on gloves. I'm going to see if I can hold on to the handrail. Oh, wow. It's going to be a bit tricky, but I think I can do this without getting a Darwin Award. Might as well try. So anyway, it's late in the, it's officially spring. It's been spring for a week. In fact, this is actually spring break for the, children that applies to. Anyway, see here, this is a little bit tricky. Not quite as much footing as I might like. Yeah, it's a little bit slippery here. But anyways, we had a very cold, wet winter this year. In fact, some places they had like record rain for February. But this is much higher elevation, so obviously that translates into a lot of snow, not a lot of rain. Boy, this handrail is not quite adequate. Okay, I'm gonna stop here just a second. Oh, there's a bird. Hi, bird. Obviously the ice is melting. Look at this ice formation ahead of me. It's all the way top to bottom, so it's a column. It's broken in the middle. Even where it's broken, it's like 3 inches long, half an inch wide. Crazy. Over here, holy cow. I hope the camera's picking this up. Don't have my flashlight on yet. But look at that column. It goes all the way top to bottom. It's at least 2 inches diameter at the narrowest. At the top, it's more like 4 inches in diameter. Now, hopefully, I can keep going down without plummeting to my death. Not really. Yeah. Okay, so let me pan up a second. So, against the laws of common sense, there's the stairs I came down. Notice how the handrail, or whatever you call it, fence up there, there's totally snow on the other side. So it's at least 3 feet deep. Very deep snow. It's impressive. All right, now, there's farther way down here. There's nothing for me to hold on to. It's going to be tricky trying to get back out, actually. Let me see here. I might have to use both hands, if that's not considered cheating. See, the slush here is melting, so it's actually more slippery. Let me see if I can just take a look around from here. Yeah, let me start at the left and just pan around. So even here behind me, you see it's a ways down to the bottom. So I'm not home free yet. Same thing, look at all this water. It's gently raining out here, but that water drops you're seeing is from the snow melting. And then over here, lots of ice up there on the ceiling. Then a few big formations hanging from the ceiling. And a nice big patch of ice there on the floor there. I'm sure that's very slippery. Looking back, this direction is a dead end, but it goes back quite a ways. If there was no ice, you'd be able to go back hundreds of feet. But obviously, if there's too much ice, you don't want to break the ice formations. So, I mean, if you come here when there's a lot of ice, one, you got to be super careful, and so on. So, yeah, can't go back very far. And then 2 or 3, wherever I am. There we go. See if I can pan my camera there. Some more nice ice formations right there. There's the same ones right there. And then there's that one I saw. So this is going back towards the other entrances. Hold on, my feet are caught up. Okay, so this is looking back towards the other entrances, which are not as big, but they're just as steep and icy, I'm sure. So there we go. There's huge formations. Crazy. I want to check that out, but I don't want to get a Darwin Award. So for now, I'm going to climb back up and see if I can get in one of the other entrances. So let me see if I can get enough traction to climb back up the way I came. That'd be a comforting thought. Yeah, here I'm getting plenty of traction, but that's no guarantee that I'll get more traction farther down where the cave is obviously melting. Okay, well, there's my first attempt to get into Guler Ice Cave.